Kingfishers, ducks, crows, flamingos, and kookaburras are all birds. Birds are a diverse group of animals with about 10,000 different species named and described. Birds are classified together due to shared characteristics. All birds have a body covered in feathers. Birds also have 2 wings, 2 feet, and a beak or bill. Most birds are able to use their wings and feathers to fly. Some birds are flightless. Penguins move about by walking on land and swimming in water. Emus and ostriches have bodies that are much too heavy for flight. They move about by walking and running on their long, powerful legs. All birds reproduce by laying eggs. Hatchlings and chicks are often cared for by their parents until they are able to fly and search for food on their own. Like mammals, birds are warm-blooded or endothermic. This means they are able to regulate their own body temperature. I don't have wings or feathers, but I do have to fly. See ya!